Good morning everyone. Welcome to HBD Tutorial Class Session 2. Our topic for today is all about the classification of nouns. Here are some classification. Number 1, concrete noun. Name things that can be seen, touched, heard, smelled, tasted, or felt. For example, horizon, butter, marble, garbage, music, heat, perfume, and feather. Abstract noun. Name concepts, ideas, beliefs, and qualities. Abstract noun cannot perceive by the five senses. Example: love, fear, creativity, inspiration, kindness, and justice. Collective noun denote a number of things constituting a group or whole. For example, audience, class, club, fleet, regiment, and team. Nouns that consist of more than one word are called compound nouns. Example: bedroom, ground floor, tomato plant, father-in-law, heartland, eggplant, and spaceship. As you have observed, there are more than 2 to 3 words that are combined. Thank you everyone. I hope you enjoy HBD tutorial class for better learning.